Hey, it's Martin Salinas, your South Florida real estate agent, and today we find ourselves in Babcock Ranch, checking out this gorgeous model home called the Bay Creek, and it's by Lennar. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage with 2,100 plus square footage. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're going to want to check it out. Let's go inside.
Babcock Ranch is a high-tech, sustainable, innovative community and the first solar-powered town in America, surrounded by green spaces and nature trails. The sense of community is palpable, with vibrant town squares hosting farmers markets, outdoor concerts, and fostering connections among all its residents. Babcock Ranch is 17,000 acres of land. That's an area bigger than the island of Manhattan. It is surrounded by 73,000 acres of nature preserves. Babcock Ranch is not just a town, it's a lifestyle committed to sustainability. Smart technology is seamlessly integrated into the daily life, making it a tech-savvy haven. The community has a community center, a school, health center, wellness and fitness center, co-working space, golf course, tennis courts, pickleball courts, plenty of restaurants, stores, and much more. Something for every age group. Whether you're strolling through the town center, enjoying outdoor activities, or marveling at the expansive solar farm, living in Babcock Ranch is an experience that combines innovation, community, and a deep appreciation for the environment. It's not just a place to live, it's a forward-thinking community that redefines the concept of home. Welcome to Babcock Ranch, the city of the future.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's the Bay Creek model here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 2,100 square feet. I mean, it's a phenomenal unit if you're looking to live here with your family. Beautiful open floor plan. So of course, feel free to like and subscribe in the channel if you like this video and if you got any value out of it. And of course, contact us if you want to visit Babcock Ranches, if you want to take a look at these gorgeous homes. Contact us. We have all the information you need. We have the direct contact with the developers, and we have an amazing relationship with them so that we can get you extra incentives for this beautiful home right behind me. All right, so take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.